Hi, welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed my video so far. Subscribe, that'd really help me out, and there'll be much more to come. So this is the Nano S3, the Blade. I know nothing about helicopters, and I'm only really a beginner RC pilot, so I don't know much about RC planes either, just learning as I'm going. What I'm doing is a lot of research and trying to figure things out, and then I thought, you know, as it took me a lot of time, I'll put together a few videos, and hopefully they may save you guys a lot of time figuring these things out. So this is a Nano S3. It's the BNF version. That means it doesn't come with a controller. If you did get it in the RTF version, my guess is that it probably comes with something like one of these. This is what I got, basically a simple controller that I got with my it does have telemetry, which is really cool. It has trim, and you have your gimbals, and you also have your safe mode, intermediate mode, advanced mode, and the panic button. So you have basically everything you need to fly it right there with that, if you bought that. I didn't buy that because after this one I got another RTF kit which came with the DSX, which again is a wonderful controller. It has all the same functionality, one or two more little buttons. It's a little bit bigger. Can do my flaps here, and high rates, low rates, and throttle kill. Those are the three functions that do not exist in the other one. Then we're using the bind button as an emergency button, and beginner advanced mode. So that's pretty good. But then I bought this, which I really like, and my excuse was, of course, that I can buy now lots and lots more models and program them all in here. So before we get ready to go, we need to set up the profile for this on the NX8. So let me turn this on now, and I'll show you how I did that. So I hope you can see that better now. Press these two at the same time, or you can go through the menu. These two at the same time is a shortcut that brings you straight into your menu to pick your plane. Now you can see I don't have this Blade S3 in there. So I've downloaded the template for it from the website, and I'll show you that right here.
First we go to the Spektrum website, and we find our transmitters in there, and we're going to find the NX8. We're going to pick our model. The model I bought didn't come with the receiver, so it's this model. That brings us to our main page. On our main page we have some useful information. Let's go to manuals and support. Download the manual, of course. Save this manual and read it. Lots of great information on it. We're going to then download two more files, and the other two files we're going to save to the SD card, which is going to be inserted into the transmitter at the end. We're going to go first and get one here. So I'm going to skip to my products page and bring you to this page, which is download. Download the latest version of firmware. You can see the file is downloading there. That file we're going to copy onto the root of the SD card. Now let's go in and have a look at the models here. So again, this document is quite useful. If we scroll down here to the bottom of this document, we will see that the file type we're looking for is NSPM. Those are the presets for the NX transmitter models. Back up here at the top we have our link for our DX and our NX, so let's go here to the NX site. Go through the folders here. I'm looking for the Blade Nano S3 preset template. Find it here, right click it, download. And this is the second file that I'm going to copy to the root of my SD card.
Now that we've downloaded that onto our SD card, and we've popped our SD card in here at the bottom, that's it, goes right in there. Now I can go here to my system setup, and all the way down here to transfer SD card. And now model import export, correct. You're going to set it here to external SD card. Okay, select option and then import model, and here is the one that I have downloaded, Nano S3 SPM, that I have downloaded from the website, and import, and it takes a second or two. Now it's in, and now it's loaded. Great. So if you wanted to add other models, for example, you can go here and you can say add new BNF model, and they actually already have quite a lot of templates here. Not all of them, but there's quite a lot. So there's more, and probably more up-to-date ones that you can get on the website. So let's go back to the main screen. Timer is set on 4 minutes. That's good for this. I'm happy with that. Check my modes. Normal mode.
Stunt 1.
Stunt mode 1.
Stunt 2.
Stunt 2. Okay, that's working there. And throttle.
Hold mode.
So the first time I bound this, I did it incorrectly, and the way I did it means the little helicopter thought that I was binding to one of these, which means this has a 3-way position switch here, but this is actually throttle cut off. So they're using the first position of the safe mode switch as basically hold, throttle cut off, and then you have 2 modes, and in this one nothing happens. So when I did that, I ended up with normal mode, but nothing was happening. So stunt 1, stunt 2 worked fine, normal mode did not work. I learned what I did wrong, and I'm going to show you how to avoid making that mistake. So here we go, we'll do our great unboxing there. Right, it comes in a box, that's wonderful. There we go, okay, so that's what we want. There, very cute little helicopter. Okay, just seems the wires are a little bit cut up there, but anyway, everything looks great. Can bring it over there. So it's collective pitch. On the box it says level 2, so I guess it's not really a beginner's helicopter, but you know, that doesn't really matter. It came with a smaller battery. I have a few of these lying around. This is a 220. It came with a 150. It'll probably fly with this. I don't know. We'll see. So, okay. I'm going to leave it somewhere around. The position is all the way forward on this, on this, on this. Helps if you touch them, because I thought they were all on the 0 position there, but obviously one of them was not. They're all in the 0 position. The secret to binding this correctly to this controller seems to be moving the rudder to the right during the binding process. It binds very, very fast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this to the right and keep it there in the bottom right hand corner. I'm going to press my bind button up here, keep that down, and now I'm going to power it on.
Binding. DSMX.
That's as fast as it happens, yeah. Done. Let go of the 2 of them, and now I have a green light. So what I was missing in the first place was obviously that. Okay, that's all I was missing. So I kept binding, but then I was in normal mode and I couldn't spin it up. So let's put it back here, and we can see, move my fingers away there, spinning up in normal mode. Stunt 1. And I'm not going to go to stunt 2, because if I go to stunt 2, it's just going to spin up and hit the ceiling here. Back to normal mode. And now I'll just show you very quickly, very, very short flight. Keep it in this position so it's pointing directly away from you. That way, you know, as you can see now, left is left, right is right, forward is forward, backwards is here. That's it. I have a very small space here, so just wanted to show you. That's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, tune in for the next one, and please let me know in the comments and feedback below if you find these helpful. Thanks very much, and have a great week.